Hello everyone. This lecture is on lateral ventriculomegaly in fetal central nervous system. Lateral ventriculomegaly, the topic will be covered under the following headings: the anatomy of lateral ventricles, the technique of sonography, the criteria for diagnosing lateral ventriculomegaly, for diagnosis and for severity, what are the criteria, and the causes of lateral ventriculomegaly, evaluation of lateral ventriculomegaly, the severity and the causes, and further testing for fetal infection, genetic disorders, and role of MRI when it is useful, and then follow up of the fetuses with lateral ventriculomegaly, and how do you prognosticate case with lateral ventricle. All this will be covered, and finally how to counsel the couple regarding lateral ventricular. So all these are covered in this lecture, and if you would like to listen to the lecture, please log on to sonography.in, and the lecture is found in the fetal central nervous system. Thank you.